Airsoft Con? That shouldn't count.
When?
Next weekend. E-bike.
I'll have a ride. You think I have a car?
Huh?
You think I have a car? My mom drives me around. She'll take me there. Shoot.
Me, a car? You must mistake me for someone who's rich. Ow! What is this car you speak of?
I have a penny board. You skate
I
there.
have a skateboard.
Why don't you just like attach a rope to the back of your car?
I actually know people that could probably mob from our area to yeah,
it's a Vietnam music in there.
Listen up, guys! Does everyone have your dead rats? Yeah. For this game. In this game, you will keep going until you're out of ammo or your battery dies. You still have to respawn though.
Is that a spare dead rag I could use? Thank you. Cause I have no idea where mine went. It fell on my side.
Happy birthday!
Your mask is kind of giving up the DVD.
Time.
Nice.
Alright, so you have it. Whenever you're hit, you call.
Just test my gun real quick.
Don't you dare. I don't even know if you can get lens for these.
That'd be like a
That's cool though. That thing's tiny. I like it.
Yeah, that's it. Goes on my goggles.
People are dying for that.
hey.
Yep. They just released a new one.
The jokes are spreading.
Alright, everyone behind the spawns!
You ready for this hot shot?
Oh, I have that.
No.
Slow motion. Everybody remember. Alright, play the slow motion song.
Go!
Hey, Austin.
Hello. Fuck. Well. Oh shit. Just gonna take that off.
You better be playing some Bob Marley.